Introducing Learn Greek Journey on Zoom with the Greek Chain Ali and Hellenic Lessons. Live the Greek language. Next week, we are going to cover Learn Greek, Let's Buy Fruit and Vegetables. The agenda of the event will be how to get there, easy dialogue, guess it, find the word, story time, speak like a Greek, and much more. So what is it? The Greek Chain Learn Greek version 2 is a live interactive event via Zoom created by Timon and run by certified and qualified Hellenic teachers for anyone who wants to speak better, write easier, and live the Greek language. Who should attend? Anyone who wants to speak and understand better Greek, write easier and faster, learn Greek the fun and interactive way, enjoy everyday life topics in Greek, meet and socialize with like-minded, passionate Greek learners. The idea with the Greek Chain Learn Greek Journey version 2 is that because we're going to be having Anna and Ali doing the interaction, and I'm going to be involved in quite a big part as well to keep with the flow, is that Anna is going to present one part of the lesson, for example, a dialogue, and immediately afterwards, we are going to be doing a comprehension, true and false, multiple choice, things that you've been brought up. And then as we move into the games, Anna's going to be presenting the vocabulary, the grammar, and then we're going to be moving into the interactive part of that. Before, Learn Greek version 1 was the full presentation of the grammar lesson with Anna, and then the interaction. Now it's going to be the presentation, which might be about 10 minutes. And then we go straight to the interaction, and you will have the vocabulary and flow and ideas of what to say based on what the presentation was with online Hellenic lessons. So that's the big difference with Learn Greek version 2. These are games, interactive exercises that we've been working over the last couple of months, and they don't exist online, that you can't really search on Google and in traditional ways of teaching. This is going to be an upgrade and a new level to be learning Greek by speaking the language easier, writing easier. You're going to be involved with a little bit of writing, whether you want to write in Greek or Greeklish or even English, it's okay. And also you're going to be able to understand better. That is the point with the Learn Greek lessons. And as I said before, they are not going to be follow-ups from previous lessons that we've had. Each lesson is going to be completely new with new ideas. The Learn Greek version 2 is going to be recorded almost throughout. You'll get the recording and you'll get the slides. If you can't join us, that's also okay because you are going to get the recording.
Είμαστε ενθουσιασμένοι, Timon. We are excited.
I'm so happy.
Ενθουσιασμένοι.
I'm so happy.
Thank you for all your hard work. It is appreciated. It's really appreciated.
When it's a passion, it's not work.
Timon said. Είπε ο Timon.
Okay.